Hey, my little artist. I hope you're doing well today. Today, I bet you can't guess what we are going to make today. We're going to draw a unicorn. And how many of you love unicorns? I know that I love unicorns and my daughter loves unicorns, and there's just something magical about unicorns. So today, we're going to start with a really simple unicorn using the letter Y. Okay, we're going to do a capital Y, and then we're going to make our unicorn from that. All right, I can't wait to show you. So let's get started. Okay, I'm going to start with a purple marker, making my letter. You can use whatever color you want. And I'm going to start with the letter Y. And I might be making this Y differently than what you make it, because I'm trying to make it upside down so that it is the right way to you. Okay, now right here on this little leg of the Y, okay, this little branch of the Y, I'm going to make it look like a narrow triangle, but at the bottom, I'm going to kind of make a curved line there. And then right here on this leg of the Y, I'm going to make kind of like the letter D. And then I'm going to make another little branch come out here. This is going to be the other ear. Okay. I know you can't tell yet, but this is the horn and these are the ears. And then right here, I'm going to do kind of slanted lines to make that look like it's curved. They're kind of rounded. And then right here, I'm going to make this just a little bit longer. Then right here, I'm going to make this rounded, kind of like a sideways rainbow or the letter P. Okay, but I'm not going to go clear in like I would with the letter P. I'm going to stop there. And then I'm going to take this down and around, and I'm going to stop about right there. And then I'm going to curve up. And this is the body, and this is the neck. Okay, can you start to see what's happening here? And then right down here, I'm going to do a leg. Okay, and then right beside that leg, I'm just going to have another little bit of another leg peeking out behind that one, just like that. And then right here, I'm going to make another leg. Okay, and then right up here, I'm going to do a little curve. This leg is going to be kind of up in the air, like he's waving at you, okay, or giving you a high five. Okay, just like that. Okay, and then right here, I'm going to make his tail come out like this, but then I gave it kind of a little bushy feel, kind of a hairy, where the hair is coming out. Okay, and then, let's do the eyes first. So right here, I'm going to do a circle for the eye, and then just a little bit above that, if I do it like this, it makes it look like he's at an angle and he's looking up. And then right here, his little nose is just going to be a little bit of a smaller dot. Then a unicorn has to smile, right? So we're going to make a little smile there. And then right here, I'm just going to kind of make, it's kind of a zigzag, but it's kind of a cross between, it's kind of scalloped edges here to make it look like his mane is kind of fluffy. Okay. All right. There you go. There is your unicorn. Now, for color, you can make your unicorn any color you want. You could make it rainbow. You could make it just one color. I have pink and turquoise and purple in front of me. So that's what I think I'm going to do. So I'm just alternating colors here. Okay. And then his tail could be alternated as well if you wanted. The fun part about a unicorn is they're mythical and they're magical, and so they don't have to follow any real color scheme. Okay, and I'm thinking that I kind of like him like outlined kind of white with the colors, so I might just add maybe a little heart here. And maybe with my heart, I'll outline it maybe. There we go. All right, there's our fun little unicorn. So that was super simple, and it didn't take us long to do it all. So here is your unicorn, all right? I would love to see your unicorn, so take pictures of them and post them for me so that I can see them. Talk to you soon.